discover the incredible benefits of daily yoga. Yoga continues to grow in popularity every year. For many, it's the perfect way to heal the body, enhance physical fitness, and find harmony with oneself and the world around us. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your body when you practice yoga every day. Watch until the end, you won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Yoga is much more than a series of health-enhancing exercises. It's a holistic lifestyle that helps you achieve physical and mental balance, uncover hidden potential, and tap into the body's remarkable capabilities. More than just physical training, yoga engages the mind and incorporates methods for spiritual growth and self-improvement. Scientific research has confirmed yoga's powerful therapeutic effects, showing that regular practice positively impacts every organ and system in the body. Key benefits of yoga: 1. Improved posture and spine health. Yoga corrects spinal alignment, alleviates pinched nerves, and reduces pain in the back and neck. Improved posture also enhances lung capacity and boosts blood circulation to internal organs. 2. Balanced hormonal levels. Practicing yoga supports the pancreas and thyroid gland, improving their function and addressing imbalances in the reproductive system. 3. Increased flexibility and muscle relaxation. Yoga enhances ligament and tendon elasticity, boosts flexibility, and relieves muscle tension, promoting ease of movement. 4. Cardiovascular system support. Deep breathing during yoga delivers extra oxygen to internal organs, stabilizing the heartbeat and improving overall cardiovascular health. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can transform your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Ready to unlock these benefits? Let's get started. Yoga boosts immunity by stimulating the movement of lymph through muscle contractions and stretches. This helps the body fight infections and may prevent the formation of cancer cells. Yoga also supports weight loss and enhances appearance. By strengthening the entire body's muscle structure, it increases metabolism and improves digestion. The combined effects of yoga lead to fat burning, as most asanas involve static poses that activate deep muscle layers. This muscle engagement promotes fat loss, while yoga also reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone responsible for abdominal fat accumulation. Dynamic and power yoga, combined with focused breathing techniques, can accelerate metabolism and sustain long-term weight loss. For women, yoga helps regulate the menstrual cycle, ease premenstrual syndrome, and alleviate menopause symptoms. It also reduces migraine frequency and pain, increases libido, and minimizes menstrual discomfort. Men can also benefit from yoga, as many poses stimulate the prostate and improve blood circulation in the pelvic region, positively affecting potency. Yoga boosts testosterone production by stimulating the adrenal glands and testicles. The benefits of yoga extend beyond physical health. Unlike typical fitness training aimed at body improvement, yoga promotes mental well-being. It is frequently used to treat mental health issues such as major depression and insomnia. Asanas and meditation help alleviate anxiety, fear, anger, and foster self-belief. When practicing yoga, keep a few essential points in mind. 1. Focus on your breath. Breathe deeply and slowly through your nose, ensuring your inhales and exhales are of equal length. Breath control is central to yoga. 2. Stay present. Let go of external distractions and concentrate on your internal sensations. If you experience pain or discomfort, stop the exercise immediately. 3. Don't overexert yourself. Muscles should be tense only enough to maintain balance in each pose. 4. Train on an empty stomach. Wait at least 20-30 minutes after eating before practicing yoga. 5. Start with shorter sessions. Beginners should start with 20-minute sessions, gradually increasing to 60 minutes. Quality and breath control are more important than duration. 6. Practice regularly. Whether daily or every other day, consistency is key. 7. Optimal time to practice. While advanced practitioners often practice at dawn, yoga can be just as beneficial at any time of day. Regular practice is more important than the time you choose.